Hello guys, happy Sunday, happy new month. In this video, I am going to teach you how to protect your Hbar tokens, yeah? So guys, if you want to protect your Hbar tokens, yeah, you have to download Hashpack Wallet, yeah? So guys, Hashpack is the leading retail wallet on Hedera Hashgraph with a fantastic user experience for DeFi, NFTs, and dApps. The wallet is non-custodial, audited, and features free email account creation as well as seed phrase based account creation. Yeah. So guys, you can also buy pack tokens. Yeah. Pack tokens, yeah, is the utility tokens for Hashpack Wallet. Yeah. So guys, if you are interested in the Hashpack tokens, yeah, the current price is 0.0334 US dollars. Yeah. This coin is down 16.26%. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy the pack tokens. I believe wallet tokens will do well. Yeah, just like Trust Wallet tokens and SafePower tokens. So guys, if you want to view the pack website, yeah, if you have coin market cap or coin gecko, yeah, you click on website. So guys, this is the Hashpack Wallet website, yeah. If you click on get pack, yeah, you will see the link where you can download the Hashpack Wallet. Yeah, if you are using Android, you can get it on Google Play. If you are using iPhone, you can download on App Store. So guys, don't forget this. Yeah, pack tokens pack token is live. So guys, you can buy the official utility token for Hashpack, the lending wallet on Hedera Hashgraph. Yeah, so guys, you can buy these tokens on gate.io, Maxi, Sosa Swap, C14. Yeah, so guys, if you download the wallet app here, you can create account with your email in under a minute. Yeah, you can connect with favorite Hedera dApps. So guys, you can also earn pack tokens every time you swap. You can stake pack and Hbar to earn rewards. So guys, let me show you my Hashpack wallet. Yeah, this is my Hashpack wallet. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to use this. Yeah. So guys, this is my Hashpack wallet. Yeah, I have my Hbar stored in this wallet. Yeah, I have my Hbar stored in this wallet. Yeah, so guys, on this platform, yeah, if you click on this where you have the name, yeah, this is your deposit address. So guys, if you click on this deposit address, yeah, if you want to transfer Hbar from your crypto exchange, yeah, you want to transfer HBAR from your crypto exchange into your Hashpack wallet, this is your deposit address. The second one is your memo, but I use the first one more. Yeah, so guys, this is your deposit address. You can send it to your friends if they want to send you HBAR, or you can use it to withdraw from your exchange and deposit in your wallet. Yeah, so guys, this is how to swap on the Hashpack wallet. If you have HBAR, make sure you have some HBAR. You can swap from HBAR, yeah, to the selected tokens listed on the Hashpack wallet. So guys, these are projects on Hedera, so you can swap from HBAR to any of the listed projects on the Hedera network. Yeah, this is NFT. So guys, if you are a fan of NFT, this is where you will receive your NFT. If you are interested in the launch pad, yeah, this is where you can achieve the launch pad on this wallet. Yeah, so guys, dApps, these are the listed dApps on the Hashpack Wallet: NFT launchpads, lending and borrowing, NFT communities, yeah, NFT tools, games. These are the decks, yeah. These are the decks on Hedera. So guys, I believe some of these decks are going to do well, just like the decks on Solana. Solana blast off. Most of the decks on Solana blast off. I think the same thing is going to happen to the decks on Hedera. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy any of them. You can buy any of the DEX tokens, yeah, if you want to. It is not a financial advice, yeah. So guys, if you want to stake your Hbar, yeah, this is where you stake your Hbar, yeah, your Hbar, and this is where you stake your pack tokens. So guys, if you want to stake your Hbar, yeah, you have to pick your validator, then you stake. Yeah, if you have staked for a long time, you claim your rewards. So guys, this is where you stake your pack tokens. This is where you stake your pack tokens. Yeah, so guys, don't forget this. Yeah, this is your wallet address, your deposit address for Hbar. Yeah, this is my second wallet. Yeah, so guys, in this wallet, yeah, I bought some projects. Yeah, under the Hedera network. I bought some projects like Karate Pack, Sauce, Illy Swap, and Hbar Suit. So guys, you can buy some of the listed projects on the Hedera network. This is where you swap. You swap Hbar to any of the listed tokens. Yeah. So guys, don't forget this. Yeah. So guys, this is how to store your Hbar and protect your Hbar using Hashpack Wallet. So guys, you can also watch my video on how to buy Hbar and how to stake Hbar. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.